Hello everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daydream, and Afrobeats is where we start as mega superstar Burna is set to perform in Jamaica this December. In a press release last evening, it was announced that the Grammy Award-winning artist is bringing his Love Damini tour to the Caribbean. Now, Jamaican fans, self included, has since taken over social media with memes and comments showing excitement for the singer's visit. The concert is set to kick off in Trinidad, then to Antigua, before culminating in Jamaica at the National Stadium. Love Damini is Burna's sixth studio album, which features Jamaican dancehall artist Popcorn on the crossover track Tony and Sing. Other popular crossover hits from Burna Boy include Kilometer and Last Last. The album has earned the Afrobeat Giant a nomination in the Best Global Music Album category at the upcoming Grammy Awards. Now, reggae singer Savannah was yesterday ordered to pay $300,000 in a death by dangerous driving case. An emotional Savannah who appeared in court was ordered to pay the fine or spend 2 years in prison, along with being banned from driving for the next 2 years. The sentencing was handed down in the Westmoreland Circuit Court by Justice Courtney Day, who, according to reports, said he did not have adequate information to apply the full weight of the law against Blake. Savannah, whose given name is Anna Blake, last month pleaded guilty to death by dangerous driving. The accident claimed the life of a 32-year-old woman in May last year. Savannah is known for the hit singles Manga and If You Only Knew. TJ announced as Youth for Excellence brand ambassador. The dancehall artist has given his commitment to mental health advocacy. TJ himself has expressed openly that he has overcome depression and more recently has been leaning towards more positive and relatable lyrics in his music. The Rags to Riches artist expressed the tough topic of mental illness and suicide ideation with his single I'll Touch the Sky, which was released earlier this year. The organization YFE has since 2015 been providing assistance to children across the Caribbean with health care, educational contents, nutrition, skills training, and job placements for their caregiver. Now to news overseas, where R. Kelly's former manager Donnell Russell was sentenced to 20 months in prison for harassing the singer's victim. According to the Department of Justice, Russell used emails, text messages, and phone calls to intimidate one of Kelly's sex assault victims from coming out about her experience with the singer between November 2018 and February 2020. It is alleged that Russell threatened to release explicit photos of the victim if she refused to withdraw her civil suit against R. Kelly. R. Kelly, whose given name is Robert Sylvester Kelly, was convicted of sex trafficking and racketeering charges and sentenced to 30 years in prison. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daydream. Thank you for watching. Be safe.